our record in a safely manner, in a sequence manner, in an alphabetic order, in a number order. Means anything, any kind in organized data. When we keep organized data, that time it is known as a database. Although I told you students what is the meaning of primary key. I told you the primary key means this is a unique key. It will not be repeatable, as I have given you example of the admission number as well as the employee ID for the unique key. Today we will discuss some uses of database. Uses of database, as you can see from your book, students. Uses of database anywhere. If you are going to the library department, you need that database. If you are going for the school department, you need database. If you are going to the library department, you need database. If you want to go with the police department, you need a database. So everywhere, every department have some data which they want to secure for the further and future uses in a manner, sequence manner. So by this name we can say the use of database in the school registration, police database, library, telephone directory is a kind of database. And what is the use? Why use a database? Database actually क्या होता है? What is the meaning of database? Database का मतलब ही यही होता है कि large amount of data. अगर छोटा डेटा होगा तो आदमी अपने दिमाग में याद रखेगा what is the need to record and that. Okay? लेकिन जब large amount of data होगा then need to record in a proper manner students. So for that they are using the database. Okay? Next is that data can be sorted easily from add new data students. These you can see from the book that uses of the database. Next is what is a DBMS, database management system. Okay, what is the management system? Management system means once we record the data, we can add it the data or not. Yeah, we can delete some data or not. Yeah, we want to insert some data. We are capable to do insert some data or not? That is known as a DBMS. Okay. Next is a tables. Students, table is playing a very important role in case of database. Everything we record that is like a database only. Okay, but we have to record in a proper table, as I told you in a previous lecture. How we record any proper table? We record any table that I told you the example yesterday for the car example, that here we will write the car name and then quantity and then price of the car. Okay, so that particular column name just to the database of the user who going to be read the data that here particular thing is present. Okay, so we need to get a separate column for the particular data so that it can be easily identify data at the time when we need it. Okay, starting up now we have to go for the how it is occur, how it is helpful for the making a data. So students, for that I am going to tell you how it is a thing. For that I need a computer, so I am going to the computer. We come in a computer and we will see how this database is working, students. Please pay attention. For that we have to assess first MSSS. MSSS is a command where we assess our data. I'll show you some table format so that you can have full how we will make this MSSS students. Can you see the images? I'll show you some image. It is just like that, students. Okay, so we are here, you can see that their first name is present and the last name and the address and the city is present. So like you can see it is created one database where it gives a sequence, first name, last name and address and then city. So one by one it's create a proper columns, numbers, so whenever we need in the future, we can identify our data in very easily way, students. Next I will show you next picture here. Next I need to tell you how it is working in computer. So first of all, go for the MS Office. You will definitely get this package in MS Office. In MS Office, you need to access can you see this is MS Office SS 2007. I'm going to open it. When you open it, it will give these kind of the windows, students. Now you go for the blank database and want to be create. This is the right hand side, you will get the option create option. Go on a create option and create a one particular table. Okay students, now let us suppose I want to type. Can you see the first is the ID already exists, students? ID is already exist. Because I told you the first name is always a unique key that is known as a primary key, which is the main part of our that table, so that it can understand where we have where we will find our unique key. Now if you want to add some tables, you have to go and click over there and you have to type the name. So this is the way we can keep our data in a safely manner. Access key queue. You will ask me a question, ma'am, we can do this data keep record safely. We can do also with the MS Excel, but with the MS Access is the best way, because in this we have a lot of function which is already automatic given by built-in function, which we need not to create it. In MS Excel, it is the editing software. Whatever we want to load, we have to type. But in the case of MS Access, is the automatic and ready-made software, also called a system software. That's why we have to write only the data. We are not going to manage with the so in this way. Next I am going to tell you, students, can you see how it is ready-made software? Then you can see that here we have asset for the company purpose, contact for the personal users, issue for the notes, events again for the company purpose for presenting a presentation software, marketing project for the share market, project for the personal users, sales pipeline means marketing again, and task and faculty and students. So this is a different type of database which is already exists. Okay, so it will use for the business, personal, sample or education. So in this way we can use our database. Okay, I hope you will install the MS Access and do the practical. Some table as given in your book, please go through with them. Okay, thank you so much.